Hey guys, my name is Denil, and in this video I will show you how to install GIMP software in Ubuntu 19.10. So without wasting a time, let's get started the video. So first press Ctrl Alt and T, then terminal shown up on desktop. Just write command sudo apt get install GIMP and press enter. After that, give your password, whatever you say. It will take 2 or 3 minutes, so depends on your internet. So this is basically GIMP install, and if you want to see where it is, then you go the application, type GIMP, and here just open. It will take 1 minute for initializing, and it open. So here you can set the software in full screen or just as it is you can use. So that's it. Thank you guys. Please, if you like this video, please like the video, share the video, comment below if you have any software related problem. I will put video on that, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.